Hi guys, welcome to your second money video. This is your Fluency 1 lesson, and today we are looking at using coins in transactions without change. So sometimes when we want to purchase things from the tuck shop or a toy shop, we want to purchase things that are more than $1, and so that requires us to make a transaction. So that might be something like a teddy bear that's $1.40 or this apple that's $1.20. Today we're going to look at how to purchase those things with using the right amount of money in transactions that don't require us to get change. Okay, so let's look at this first example. Say I'm at the shop and I want to buy this teddy bear here, and I can see on the price tag here costs $1.40. Over here on the right hand side is all the money that I had in my pocket that day, and so I'm going to use this money to buy my bear. So the first thing I want to make sure I know clearly is how much it costs, $1.40. Now, when I'm making sure that I have enough money to buy this item, I'm going to look at the dollar amount first. And I'm going to make the dollar amount first with my coins. So one way that I could make $1 is to bring this 50-cent piece over and this 50-cent piece over. And that will make $1. Then, once I have that, I want to make sure that I've got the right cent amount. So we need 40 cents. I could bring over 10, 20, 30, 40 cents. So now I know with all of this money, I can buy my teddy bear for $1.40. The great thing about money though is that we can we can make the amount in several different ways. So I wouldn't have to just use the coins that I used before to make $1.40. I could use different kinds of coins. So again, I'd look inside my pocket to see what coins I actually have. And first I make the dollar amount, which is $1. So this time I might use a 50-cent coin and then add 20 cents to make 70 cents, another 20 cents to make 90 cents, and then I've got to 100 cents here, so I've made that $1 amount. And now I need to make the cents amount. So I could use this 20 cents, 10 more to make 30 cents, and another 10 more to make 40 cents. So now I have made $1.40 again, but I've used different coins this time. Okay, let's have a look at this second example. Now, at the shops, I want to buy this sandwich and it costs $2.35. And over here, this is what I've got in my pocket today to buy that sandwich. So, first of all, just like before, we want to make the dollar amount first. So we need $2. I could use a $1 coin. And I could also use two 50-cent coins to make the $2. Now I need to make the cents amount, which is 35 cents. So I would maybe use a 20-cent coin, a 10-cent coin, because they add up to 30 together. And what else do I need? A 5-cent coin. So all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins now add up to pay for my sandwich, $2.35. Okay, so we could try to make these amounts in another way using the coins that we have below, because remember, the cool thing about money is that there's lots of different combinations that we can use to add up to a certain amount. So again, I want to find the dollar amount first and make that. So I would probably use the dollar coin again, a 50-cent coin, 20, another 20, and 2 5s. That's made up my $2 by using $1, and then here's 100 cents to make another $1. Now I need to make the cents amount. So I might use whatever I can to add up to 35, 10, another 10, another 10, and a 5-cent coin. So now all of these coins all together, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them, have added up to make $2.35. Alright, so that is how we purchase things at the shops, using our money in transactions without change. We make sure that we have made the dollar amount first with whatever coins we can, and then we make sure we've made the cents amount as well, and then we can figure out what coins we would need for the whole amount to purchase something. In our next lesson, we're going to look at what happens when we want to purchase something at the shops and we have too much money and require change. Great work today, guys. Well done. And off you go to practice your activities.